and blessed and happy to be back here, her hometown with us. It's been such a long time and we feel so blessed. You know, it's such a trip and such a different experience when we come with her. And I feel like we're so welcomed, and whenever we come here, we feel like we have a family and a fan base here. And, you know, you guys' energy is a lot and so Blackjack and so us, and you guys give us so much energy. So we feel very blessed, and it's such a fun memory to be celebrating her birthday here.
Yeah, it's really special.
It's really, really special.
I'm not gonna forget this name forever. Don't go away.
To like some message to Dara though?
Dara, happy birthday, I love you.
Thank you.
Bye, Tita.
By the way, since we're in Manila, Minji and I, we are the main dancers of 21, right? Yes. We want to dance to a famous dance challenge.